head was
Take off the hat, man. You need to let the world see it.
No, dude.
Show everybody what you did to yourself.
What do you mean what I did? You mean what your fucking clippers?
Show
you charge that bitch all day, and it doesn't end up charging all the way. And you get this. You get these little fucking patches by your ear and shit.
It's way better.
And this right.
It's way better on this side. Yeah, just look at get under
this
the
right
light
here.
Stand under the light so everybody can see how good you look, man.
Oh yeah, how
Turn
good
around,
I look.
look at that. Dude, look
God,
at that, dude. Look at that, man. Yeah.
We got a guest.
We're at Mega Replay. We're about to check the dumpster and see what we can find. It smells like barbecue.
Let's pop it down.
Rotten barbecue.
What do we got down here?
That, can you even get that? That was holding the dumpster up, dude. You should've done that. So we're gonna need you to get close and personal here with the light, man.
Okay.
Which, are you want to start over there or over here, Johnny? We gotta go one side at a time.
There.
Get in here, Wayne. We gotta see what we got, man. Trash. It's fucking garbage. Who would have thought? Nothing, dude. Alright, let's move on to this side first. Alright. Hair.
God damn it.
We got frozen hair.
There's nothing in here at all.
That is frozen hair from a woolly mammoth or a walrus or some. Like if you need to make wigs, come to this dumpster. You will find hair and lots of it. What's that? What's that? What's that?
That's an empty CD case.
This is the corner where we usually find something.
I don't even see like anything in here related to Mega. Nothing.
Dollar Tree?
Yep.
My favorite part.
Where you going, Wayne?
What do you mean? Doubt it.
We're at Dollar Tree. There's a giant cock over there. Oh! Okay.
Let's see what we got.
Oh! That was almost your
kidding
phone,
me,
dude.
man?
That was almost your phone.
Bring my phone on a dumpster dive.
Dude. Here we go. Nice, dude. That's a keeper. It's only missing one little spindle. That's coming home with us. For sure. We're not going home after this.
It's a little ornament for the front of the house.
What's that? It's a laundry basket?
Laundry basket, it looks like, yeah.
Stop filming the cocks. Okay, so yeah, we can, cause look, we can get in from over here, right?
Yeah, just make sure you don't step on the baskets. There's so many of them down there.
See, dude, what I'm worried about is getting out of
That's always the bigger issue.
That's what I'm worried about. If I get in here, am I gonna be able to get out? Because there's nothing in there.
Choices you have to make in life.
Baskets.
Sorry. Okay, is there anything else in here? There's those blue ones. I don't think.
There's a couple blue ones up here.
My hands are cold. You want a poster, Wayne? Dude, this is dope, man. You can hang that up in your bedroom. Double-sided.
There's a great value.
Well, it's pretty, dude.
Who's that little green thing over there?
When?
Literally on the dumpster.
On the dump. Right here?
Yeah.
I don't know, some sort of lid.
Well, it just looks like, yeah.
Try and lift that shit up. See what's
Is there a little picture frame?
That's what that looks like,
It
dude.
is, that's
Can you
cool.
get it or what?
I could. But here, let me get on that side. Let me just actually.
Your arms are much longer than mine.
Part of me wants to just jump right in.
Do it if you want. You're taller and longer than me.
Oh, it's.
That's gotta hurt the stomach.
Oh, yeah.
It's shattered, but yeah,
Picture of an asshole? Oh, that's a flower.
it's actually a pro lab. Full ass flower. Dude, it's like, I just wonder if there's anything good down there, but...
You need to start bringing like a little mini ladder.
There's something to there's another one of those picture frames, but I bet you it's broken.
You could just...
This is the bottom part of the bar, right?
See, it might be able to hold you. I don't think it'll be able to hold me.
You do have.
I'll hold the cart.
You're the only one here that has fucking experience with shopping carts.
That's true.
Wait, you're gonna have to like get in here. I can't see
Can't
shit.
see, dude.
Oh, I got you. Sorry, that's why I got my 2 fucking cameras.
All right, now we can actually dig. That's a lid for something.
Okay.
It's lid, man.
Step in some glass or some shit.
More buckets. What bozo buckets lid, I guess. Is there anything down there? Wait. Oh, those flowers are no good?
Nah. Oh shit.
Careful of that. A perfectly good bowl. Two
Yeah.
perfectly good bowls.
Well, this top one's cracked.
Careful, James.
He's got his gloves on.
I got gloves
for
on, dude.
protection.
I got safety.
Dude, are you kidding me, bro?
Dude. Dude.
Ball number 3.
Dude, we got a full set almost, man. This is insanity.
I need you to be my light, man.
Sorry.
Oh! Don't tell me we just got our
3 and
more.
5.
What?
We could have a fucking pasta party.
Cocoa Puff.
Fucking Cocoa dumpster.
Cocoa dumpster.
Dude, that was a solid find.
Dumpster puffs, that would have been better. My bad, guys. Dumpster improv needs some fucking greasing up.
Dude, I'm surprised we haven't gotten.
Hey,
I'm
plastic.
surprised we haven't seen some Valentine's Day candy yet.
I think that was in last week's.
Kind of beyond Valentine's Day.
These flowers are no good, really? Oh, just away, no.
Take those flowers, put them in the fucking nursing homes, give them the fucking...
If we get a string, we could make a lay out of these.
You could make a leg.
You trying to get laid, bro?
Give them the Algernon.
Another lid. That's pretty dope. Is there anything else in here?
No, I
yet?
think that's it.
Alright, do you need help getting out over here?
Those can be used to stand in. Make you appear a little bit short or smaller. That's not a hole at all.
Careful. Here, you want to go this way? There you go. What about at the bottom?
Hey, tissue.
This is like a sheet for like
You want to wrap a present?
for like a
Probably a
table.
table,
cloth.
yeah.
Oh, it's tablecloth. Not tissue paper.
I mean,
Yeah, dude, just wipe your butt with it.
Yeah.
What else is in there?
Free wood pallet. Set the house on fire.
can you shine the light over here? What else is in here? What is this? This is just some decorative shit. Take that.
What the fuck is that? Random wicker.
Asparagus.
Oh,
Asparagus.
God.
Frozen asparagus. It feels like
Alright.
it's frozen, but it does not feel very good. Uh-oh. We got cans. Cream chip beef. Oh my God, check this out. You guys aren't gonna believe this one. You're not gonna believe this one.
Oh,
Ribeyes.
Oh, boy.
2 ribeyes.
Fuck.
You want steak and asparagus tonight, boys?
Oh, God.
Steak and asparagus tonight for dinner.
Then we got the fucking grocery cart.
And
Jesus Christ.
Tuna.
chicken of the sea, tuna. Dude, we got a whole meal right there.
Oh my God.
That's
Please
dinner
don't
for
eat
2.
this thing.
That is dinner
I will
for
buy you dinner. Do not eat
Dude,
that
a 3rd steak. Dude, can we do a video of us cooking and eating these steaks?
I'm gonna fucking puke if I do.
I'll be the fucking recorder.
Dude, do you know, like, I feel like we need to do a video
You're
of this.
totally overlooking the fucking vampire steak here.
Dude, I just found a can of tuna, 3 ribeye steaks. Look at that one. That one looks good, dude. Look at this meat, man.
Oh my fucking God.
Oh, that one does not look
Oh,
right.
God.
But these, you know what I'm saying, dude? Like, we got a side dish.
I mean, I guess.
And tuna.
I guess.
Dude, like,
You can't trust dumpster ribeyes like you used to.
tablecloth. Let's go check the hall.
Mother of God.
Dude, so yeah, I say it was look at this. Got some pretty good stuff, right? Yeah.
Tons of bowls.
Lots of containers.
Got stuff to put other stuff in. That's for sure. Should we trunk this stuff or? All right, man, check it out. You got some buckets that we're probably gonna make up a hammer toss game.
Hammer toss.
We're gonna have a hammer toss game that we're gonna probably do a video for the next.
That's your hammer toe benefit.
Maybe we'll do it tomorrow if the weather permitting. We got some lids that we don't have buckets for them. If we ever find something that'll fit these, they're good lids. So we got those, we got a tablecloth, and we got a set of bowls. I'm gonna wash those. Those are gonna be our new bowls. I'm gonna go put this
They
in
are
there.
like nice fucking glass bowls. Like that. That was definitely your best find. Those bowls.
I'm gonna go put this
These
in the
buckets are
yard
a
if you
little
wanna.
pointless, but
Let's see.
the
If
glass
you wanna,
bowls are pretty good.
you wanna film this? Let's find a good spot for this. I think it's front and center.
This dirt is frozen solid though, so. But look.
Or does it? It goes this way? I don't know if it matters. Oh. I don't know, man. What do you think? It looks good.
Yeah. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. This is a real house now. Part of the community now.
You can hang this up somewhere.
Comfort ceiling. Anyone got a birthday coming up?
Every day is birthdays from now on. Right?
There we go.
Now it looks like we're having a party.
Yeah.
All right. Johnny, you want to send it off?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more active videos. As you can already see, we've been doing a lot of streams lately. We've been coming up some ideas for some skits, some other stuff we're gonna be doing too. So for those of you that have already subscribed, get the word out there for the campers.
Zip pace.